Hi y'all, it's me. I'm back with another project today. This time it's a different kind of love project. It's something for my wedding. As those of you who follow me know, I got engaged recently and my wedding is planned for July of this year. So I already have a venue and I'm getting super excited about it. It's a crazy love story and a crazy thing. I never ever thought I would remarry again in my lifetime, but you just never know, right? So anyhow, I wanted to start getting busy making some things for my wedding. I already am starting on the album, and for that I needed a paper collection, and it just so happened that I had purchased one for a friend that I never used. I ended up using something else, and I saved this one, which is really good because I really like it. And I'm really happy with the choice and the colors. I love it. So this is Wedding Bliss by Echo Park. They don't make it any longer and it's hard to find. They do have some similar, but not this particular one. And I had bought the 12 by 12, the 6 by 6 stamps, ephemera, whatever, for it. So I'm really happy to have it all. I do have the digital collection too, and I did contact Echo Park about it to see if they had any in their warehouse, but they don't. So anyhow, but this is kind of the collection. The 12 by 12 papers that were singly sold have gold foiling detailing on them, which I have some. I like it because it's kind of fanciful and not so stuffy looking, but it's pretty, and it just has, it just has the nice colors that I love. So I decided to use this as a base for the color theme of my wedding. I don't have any clues about what that's going to look like yet because I'm not that far along. I just started. So I wanted to share my first project with you, and it's using that collection, and I made this little wedding planner book. And so this is a composition notebook from the Dollar Tree. I basically just covered it with paper and then printed that on the computer onto one of the ephemera pieces, and there you go. Added some ribbon, and here we are. So on the side here you can see I've categorized to things that are important to what I need to do: guest list, the venue, the services, the food, decorations, and equipment. When you open this up, I did the inside as well. I covered here, and then I added two pockets so that I would have a place to tuck stuff. And to cover up where the ribbon end was, I added this piece of ephemera here. And then this is from a Stampin' Up! Punch that I did the tabs from, and then printed out the little words. So basically what I did was I took a sheet of the paper like this, and then I put a piece of pattern paper on one side and on the other so it's sandwiched, and that's how I made the dividers in the book. So as you can see, I've started our guest list. I am going to have, I have more on this side as well. I have family here and friends on the other side. I'm going to put a save the date card space so I can check it when I send those out, and an invite space when I send those out. This will be a total of how many people are coming from that party so I can get a count for our guest list. The venue, my idea for the venue would be like a sketch of what it looks like, because there's a pond and trees everywhere. It's beautiful. So I want to kind of figure out the layout, and that's why I have that section. Services would be like the DJ, the caterer, the caterer I have under food, but DJ, the minister, the photographer, things like that, services that I will be needing. So that will go in this category. The food again would be the caterer and the menu and that kind of thing. The decorations, I will have different things here. I'll be having pictures and things in this that are like helping me along the way. Equipment will be tableware, tables, chairs, arches, things like that. That's what this section will be for. And then the last one's just miscellaneous in the event that I need to have other things written down. And then again, I just did that same treatment on the back without a pocket, since this will already be fat enough. So there's the beginning. As I said, I've already started my wedding album. I'm just I have to get further along before I share that with you, but I will show you the favors and all that stuff along the way as I figure it out. We got a few months here to plan, so I'm super excited and I can't wait to share everything with you. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.